Kurt, this comes as the Placer County Office of Education says that several students have been showing up at schools like Eureka Union with a mask exemption form, and they're all signed by the same doctor. And how many exemptions have you signed?
I do not keep count because we literally see hundreds and thousands of patients.
An estimate?
It's definitely more than 100.
From his family practice in Roseville, Dr. Michael Huang says his office has received calls from parents from across the country in search of mask exemptions for their kids. Parents like Lewis Foreman.
We were able to come across a physician like Dr. Huang who has the courage to stand up for what my kids actually need.
Who says he got the exemption for his two children at Eureka Union School District. Other concerned parents have accused Dr. Huang of selling the exemptions, a charge he denies.
If they have insurance that we do not take, we will offer them to pay out of pocket, and those fees are $200 per child. So that's actually very reasonable.
It's a violation of ethics, and I think we all have an obligation to protect our profession's integrity.
Dr. Christopher Lillis is a parent of a fifth grader at the school district, strongly opposed to Dr. Huang's exemptions.
Personally, in my opinion, there aren't any real legitimate medical reasons why a child can't wear a mask.
Dr. Lillis and Dr. David Herbert, who previously worked with Dr. Huang, agree with state guidance and say that masks are the best way to protect elementary school children from COVID.
And so it's a huge issue for us to protect these kids, and especially the kids who are not yet eligible for vaccination. Masking is their primary line of defense.
We've been doing this since last year.
But Dr. Huang says he has no plans to change what he's doing.
Yeah, these kids are reaching out for help.
And Kurt, the Placer County Office of Education emphasized that school districts in California are required to follow guidance from the state's Department of Public Health, that is to enforce mask mandates. They said this in a statement. They say also, though, that a licensed medical professional can assess a student for exemption, and that concerns can be reported to the Medical Board of California.